You wake up at 5 a.m. The world is silent, but your mind is screaming, stay in bed. Hit snooze. No one will know. But you know. Because this is the hour that decides everything. Right now, someone else is already moving. Their feet hit the floor before the sun. They're not superhuman, they're just not waiting for permission. But there you are scrolling through every social media platform, binge watching every show that drops, and then tell yourself, tomorrow will be different. But it won't, because unless you rewrite the system that's keeping you stuck, you will always be stuck. This is how the 1% break out and you can be among them. 1. Wake up before the world does. You must drag yourself up. Even 30 quiet minutes gives you power over chaos. This is where you reclaim control. 2. Move your body. Not for six-pack abs, but to send a message to your brain. Every muscle aches, but you're teaching your mind, motion beats excuses. 3. Write down 3 priorities. Not 10. Not a whole page. 3. Clarity is a weapon. Use it. 4. Eat like you drive a Ferrari. You wouldn't pour soda in a sports car. So why junk fuel your brain? 5. Feed your mind. 5 pages a day. 1 podcast. Don't just upgrade your body, install new software. 6. Step outside. Sunlight. Air. Stillness. It doesn't just reset your mood. It recalibrates your entire system. 7. Do one hard thing. Cold shower. Brutal workout. Whatever makes you hesitate, do that. That's your growth signal. 8. Reflect before bed. Where did I win? Where did I fold? Where can I be better tomorrow? Now ask yourself, will you let the comfort of your bed steal another year? Or will you claim the hour that no one else dares to own? Tomorrow, 5 a.m. comes again. Who will you be when it does?